Hi, my name is Aurelia Kirsten Sahapudi from class match B with NIM 2510110300026. Welcome to my video Logic and Function. Scott, I'm reading about processors. They say computers only understand yes or no. But how can they perform such complex tasks?
Good question. It all starts with Boolean logic. Computers only understand 0, false, and 1, true. But by combining thousands of logic gates, they can make complex decisions.
Logic gates? You mean like AND, OR?
Exactly. Imagine it like a water faucet. In logic, water only flows if faucet A and faucet B are open. OR logic, water flows if faucet A or faucet B, either one or the other, is open. Basic logic gates and OR not diagrams, created by a Shutterstock Explorer.
Okay, I understand the logic. So what's the relationship to functions in programming? Are they the same thing?
Different, but related. If logic is how to choose, a function is the recipe or wrapper. A function is a block of code that we create to perform a specific task, so we don't have to type the same thing over and over again.
Can you give a simple example?
For example, let's create a function called checkaccess. The contents use the logic mentioned earlier. Function checkaccess, have a ticket, havoc. If have a ticket and havoc are true, then entry allowed, else, then entry forbidden.
Oh, so the function is the container, and within it there are logical operations to determine the results.
Exactly. A function is like a processing machine. You give it input, ticket and KTP, the machine works using logic, then produces output, allowed/not allowed. Without functions, the program code would be a mess, because we would have to write the same logic thousands of times.
So on a computer, all the applications I open are actually just a pile of functions and logic running together.
100 for you. From logic gates at the hardware level to complex functions in software, everything works together to form the system we use today.
Thank you for watching, guys.